Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete a YouTube playlist. To do that, you have to be in your YouTube studio. To do that, just come to your YouTube account and on the right hand side you can find your account logo and just click on that. Now you can find YouTube studio and click on that. As you can see, we have entered in the YouTube studio, and on the left hand side you can see this playlist, and we are just going to click on this. After you have entered in your playlist, you can see that I have a several number of playlists from which I would like to delete this one. And as you can see that we don't have a delete option here, so we are just going to click on this edit option. Here you go, you will be landed in a page something like this. Just click on these three dots and here you can find the delete playlist option. Just click on this and you just have to confirm here, delete, and your playlist is deleted. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, just click the like button. Thank you.